Good health is the greatest wealth, and daily exercise is one of the simplest ways to achieve it. Many people believe that staying fit requires going to the gym or using expensive equipment, but this is not true. Even beginners can start their fitness journey at home with simple exercises. A daily exercise routine helps improve physical strength, mental peace, and overall quality of life. Just 15 to 30 minutes a day can bring positive changes to your body and mind. For beginners, the most important step is to start slow and stay consistent. Begin your day with light stretching to wake up your muscles and increase blood circulation. Simple stretches like neck rotations, shoulder rolls, arm swings, and gentle bending help reduce stiffness and prevent injuries. Stretching also prepares your body for exercise and makes movements easier and safer. After stretching, start with a warm-up. Marching in place, slow jumping jacks, or spot jogging for 3 to 5 minutes is enough for beginners. A warm-up increases heart rate gradually and prepares your body for physical activity. Never skip warm-up because it protects your muscles and joints from strain. Next, move to basic exercises that strengthen the whole body. Squats are one of the best beginner exercises. They strengthen the legs, hips, and lower body. Start with 10 to 12 squats and increase slowly. Wall push-ups are another excellent exercise for beginners. They help build arm, chest, and shoulder strength without putting pressure on the joints. Do 8 to 10 repetitions comfortably. Walking in place or stepping exercises are perfect for improving heart health. Walk at a moderate pace for 5 to 10 minutes. This simple movement improves blood circulation, burns calories, and strengthens the heart. Regular walking reduces the risk of heart disease, obesity, and high blood pressure. Core strength is also important for beginners. Simple exercises like seated leg lifts or standing knee raises help strengthen abdominal muscles. These exercises improve balance, posture, and reduce back pain. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions and increase gradually as your body adapts. Breathing plays a major role during exercise. Always breathe naturally and never hold your breath. Deep breathing improves oxygen supply to muscles and helps you feel energized. After completing exercises, take a few minutes for cool down. Gentle stretching and deep breathing help relax muscles and reduce soreness. Daily exercise is not only beneficial for the body but also for mental health. It reduces stress, anxiety, and improves mood. Regular physical activity releases endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones, which help you stay positive and motivated throughout the day. People who exercise daily often experience better sleep and higher energy levels. Beginners should remember that progress takes time. Do not compare yourself with others. Focus on your own journey and celebrate small improvements. Drink enough water, eat healthy food, and get proper rest. Consistency is more important than intensity. Even short daily workouts are better than long workouts done occasionally. In conclusion, daily exercise at home is a powerful way to stay healthy and fit, especially for beginners. You do not need fancy equipment or a gym membership. With simple movements, proper breathing, and regular practice, anyone can build strength, improve heart health, and live an active life. Start today, stay consistent, and your body will thank you in the long run.